Yo, so YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Coming back with my part 2, man. Just got my mold in my 1984 Monte Carlo. Yup. Ready to show you what I got in here. If y'all seen part 1, then, you know, it's gonna be strictly straight on my motor. 1984 fold. Lift it up, see what I got. I'm gonna tell y'all, this is a blueprint engine. Pushing out about 500 horses, 525 pounds of torque on gas. Yeah, she's a beauty. She's a beauty. Yep, y'all see it. With my old serpentine.
I need them down here.
Look at the pipes. Told y'all it's gonna be new. Well, when you get on my video,
I ain't nobody think about no being on no cake.
excuse my mama, please. You know what I'm saying? New pipes, man. One of the 3-inch pipes. Yeah, she talking. Let's see how this thing sound. Give the keys up. Yeah, man, that's my 1984 part 2. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned. There'll be more to come. Please like, add me, leave feedback, and tell me what you guys think. Peace.